easy on struggle through, and I've sort of put them out on the mission. In the school, the staff, and with the support of his family, we can do it. What the fuck you say to me? He said I fucking like it. I fucking love it. Where I am now, I think about where I could have been. I have never used to feel unsure. But these days, I couldn't feel more certain. Now I'm thinking down, heavy face brown clothes and the life subject, the life subject, no trust in wrong, brown chance of life. And I think that it's not to me they say, oh, Mr. Kennedy, so glad that you got involved in this action. That was the best experience of my life. And I think that's cool. Don't confuse your role. You're very new and engaged. Wrong